This is going to be the elevator at Burlington Coat Factory at the Brass Mill Shopping Center Mall in Waterbury, Connecticut. We got a Schindler. Notice how it says level 1 on here. You're going to see something interesting in a minute. See what happens? Oh. See? Press level 1. It's going down to level 1. But weren't we just on level 1? Must mean that that the indicator on the door is wrong. See, as you see out here, it's going to say level 2 on the door indicator. I'll show you guys real quick. They must have attached the door indicators wrong. See? It says level 2. Press level 2, goes up to level 2. Shouldn't be doing that. Let's go back down to level 1. Door closed doesn't work. Saw something in the elevator Facebook group that name a Schindler elevator where the door close button works. Let's get a cab view. It's a pretty decent cab. Hello, security camera. It's a pretty decent cab, though. I do think it lacks a little bit of lighting. But I think the strangest thing about this is how the floor labels on the doors are not put on right. And that'll be all sure for this one, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.